Hi everyone, good morning. My name is Benno. I'm the product manager for TechPath. I'll just go through a couple of slides and then walk you through what we have been able to design and how that app will be beneficial to everyone. Like has been reiterated at the beginning, this all was done in 9 weeks. So this is just a list of the agendas I'm going to be talking about this morning, and I'll dive into it right away. These are the names of my team members. I won't be reading all of that out just because of time. What is TechPath? TechPath is a career roadmap app that's designed to facilitate career transitions. If you just do a simple Google search, you realize that there are abundant amounts of tech jobs available in Canada and North America. And right now, there's a slogan out there that says it's the employee market, because there are so many jobs available in the tech industry, and employers are finding it really hard and difficult to find people with experience. And that's where we come in. Who are the people that we focus on at the moment? We're looking at professionals and recent graduates from universities, people who have little or no experience, and these people should be able to come into TechPath, go through the road model and the roadmap that we're prepared, take our courses, and should be ready to land a job just immediately and right away. Because the scope is broad, I believe I should mention this here, that we focused majorly on business analysis. So at the end of all of this, and when I go through the demo, you would realize that that individual would upload their resume and will be recommended for a BA role. Let's meet Hannah. Hannah Taylor is somebody who is currently a marketing director, and she wants to switch from her current role into business analysis. And what are the solutions we prefer? We're offering personalized guidance, mentorship, and we have a resource hub, and then role identification. And this is also a list of competitive analysis. We realize that right now, there are a number of other competitors who do similar or almost the same thing that we plan to do. But what we bring into this that makes it different, it's the use of the AI. And also we have decided that we would reduce our costs. Many of these other competitors tie you in such that you're obliged to make a monthly payment, but we are just going to be charging a one-time fee, which is something we think gives us a huge advantage. That's our go-to-market strategy, just explaining how we intend to go to market and how we will generate revenues. I'll delve into the app itself. Now, the user would need to create an account. This is just a landing page. I would skip the create an account process and then sign in with Google. So this is the first page. Take, for instance, I need to,
Hey, Benno, let me just pause you here. You're not showing the frame in the mobile frame, which is how it was built and optimized for. You might want to adjust the mobile frame, maybe reduce the size, because when we showed I don't want to do a disservice to your product. Because when your developer demoed it, it was a smaller frame and it was optimized for that. If you could maybe reduce the size of the frame, let's see if it responds.
Not sure what
So just reduce the browser size, like minimize the browser a little bit, reduce the size. So I'll walk you through. Just read. You know on the top there where you have the X. No, not there. Beside the X, press that. Yes. Beside the left of the X, press that. On the left of the X.
Yep.
Yes. Yes. And then reduce the frame from the edge of the browser to shrink it. Move your mouse to the end of the browser. Or we'll give you some extra time.
Are you talking about right here?
No, move your mouse to the edge of the browser. Keep moving it to the edge of the browser itself.
Not sure what you mean.
To the edge of you should move your mouse right, and I'll tell you when to stop. Just move your mouse right. Yes. Keep moving it right a little bit. Keep moving it.
That's the end of the page.
Yes, keep moving to the end of the page. Exactly, the end of the page. Okay, you're not able to move. So we're just gonna have you presented it this way, and it will be okay. Okay, so continue. Imagine I didn't stop you.
Okay. Okay, so like I said, part of the things we'll be providing for individuals who sign up with our app is mentorship. Realize that there are a lot of people out there who are new beginners. We would also be providing them with guidance and mentorship. I'll just walk you through what happens with if I were the user and I needed to book some time with, for instance, Mike. Mike is someone who has 20 years experience as a business analyst. And when the user signs up with us, they will be able to book a section with Mike, say, I need to meet with Mike on Monday from 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. So when you do that, Mike will receive an email and confirm. But before we get to this point, the individual would have made the one-time payment. Back to some other features on the app, the same can also be done with all the other mentors that have been listed and identified here. Another great feature of our app is resources. There are a couple of resources here that the user will be able to access. There's a resource library, a community, a pathway planning. All of these things are just things that provide the right direction so that this individual is able to have a clear path on how to transition from whatever discipline or profession they're coming from directly into tech with at a lower price and with least hassles. Another thing that our app also
Hey, Benno, we're gonna try this again because the app this is not how it was built. Press just right click on your screen right now and press inspect on the bottom. So it was built for mobile, but you're showing it on a web browser. And then on the top left right there beside elements, do you see the move your mouse up to where it says elements, and then beside elements, move left. Yes, the next one.
No, okay. It was that first one. It was that first one.
The toggle. Go right to the one.
The first one you went. No,
yeah, that one. Yeah, click that.
There we go. So now you can just demo the app. So no, keep it like that, and then you can demo it on a mobile view because it was built for a mobile view. So you're gonna right click the middle of the screen again.
Yeah.
Click inspect. There we go. And then just demo it. Just leave it like that and just demo the app right now. Now it's optimized for mobile.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so
if you scroll up,
no, you can't scroll. You need to tap it like it's a touch screen.
He can separate it by hitting the arrow to take it out. Never.
All right, Benno, we're gonna so does that work better for you now?
Yeah.
How to drag it. Okay, so now as we can all see, the menu on the bottom, if you scroll down, is so this is a mobile view. This is how it's designed for mobile. So Benno, if you present it in this way and you can't, then you can revert back to the other view. That's how you prep for it. But we wanted to give you a chance so that we can experience how it was actually built, right? So we'll give you a few extra minutes because of the interruption, but go ahead and continue from here.
Okay, thank you. Right here, I'm showing a community just to make sure that the individual using the app has a community that they'll be able to leverage on if they had questions, if they had to attend events and learn about new things that are happening in the industry. This community will be a way to provide that assistance and help them. And then we also have a profile here that talks about, that identifies and lists all the courses. Like I said, for now, the only thing we have developed is a business analysis course, but all other courses would come in the future. And that's everything for us today. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Benno. Let's give a round of applause. All right. We're going to start with, this time we'll start with Melissa for questions and feedback.
In regards to the mentorship options that I saw there, you had all these different industries. Are these mentors one-off, or do you have like a package that you like, or is this a B2B product? Like, are you going to companies and saying, hey, this is our package for our mentors, or is it more like individual consumers come, they can grab a mentor and then they pay specifically for that mentor's time?
So the plan is to have these mentors as people that we have synergy with. They're hired on part-time basis. We would have these mentors on our backlog, kind of on our list of people that are available at any time. So when industries need to, when the individuals will not be doing anything with the industry because we think that's going to be too expensive. So we just deal with we have TechPad hires these mentors on a part-time basis, and they relate directly to who the user or the students are.
Okay, and then you make money by contracting this to businesses, not to individuals.
We make money by contracting this to individuals.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, yeah, let's go to Phil.
Yeah, can you just walk me through the business model again, please?
Can do that here. This is the business model. Our partners, people that
I don't need the whole model canvas, just like the key revenue streams.
Yeah, our revenue streams are subscriptions, one-time payment, and then we're also going to be generating some income from ads that will be generated through social medias.
So you'll be posting ads on social media.
Our goal is to get this app, and then we will get other brands that would be able to partner with us and advertise with us, and that's a way of generating income.
Or for them to advertise on your platform.
Exactly, yes.
Okay. Great, thanks.
All right, let's finish up with Mo.
Sorry, should I go ahead?
No, I was saying let's finish up with you. Go ahead.
Okay, got it. Yeah. So, firstly, demos are always hard to do. So you did a great job on this, on pulling through. My question was around, when you think about like, what is your secret sauce in terms of skills acquisition, right? So you have some mentors, you have some courses, but if I'm a student, why would I go to, is there any specific reason why I would go to you? Is there a methodology? Is there something that you have that no one else has, or you're working towards?
That's a great question. Like I shared during the competitive analysis, a couple of other people who do the same thing that we do, but we are leveraging the use of AI, because when you look at all of these other competitors, they don't have that. They don't have that feature that has to do with the use of AI. The use of AI is, I'm a novice in tech. I show up, I have my resume. That resume could be from any background. The AI would be able to go through the resume and say, hey, you're a good fit for either a product manager or a business analyst or something in tech. That's kind of one huge advantage that we have over all other competitors and people who are currently have an existing app.
So Benno, one of your key value propositions when we review this was that there will be a way that the product would help an individual decide what path to go and then plan that path based on their personality and their resume. Did you actually demo that today?
I must just keep that section.
Yeah. Did we? I think that might be a gap that we might be missing in the experience here. Just to confirm with the judges, did we see that? Did you see that? The way the app will help you predict and plan your path based on your background?
Not that I recall.
Okay, so Benno, you might have missed the mark on that one. Do you want to maybe just talk about that? You might not have to demo it, but just maybe talk about that part of the product. You can't demo it based on time, but just talk about how the app will actually do that.
Okay, so for some reason, I think I must have skipped that with all the changes. So what happens is the individual comes in to us with their resume. We take that resume, upload the resume, and then they have to take a personality test. Through the personality test is just a test that tells us who this individual is and answer some basic questions about this person. They upload their resume, finish the personality test, and then the app will be able to recommend what business or what tech path or what tech industry they will best fit in. They'll best fit into rather.
All right, thank you. So do you have any other comments or questions from the judges? Okay, fantastic. And looking in the chat, obviously a lot of good feedback from the audience, and yet thanks for adjusting to the changes midway. Always tough when you have a demo plan in a certain way and then we realize that there's a change. So good work, Benno and team. Let's give a round of applause to TechPath.